Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we will talk about API. Have you ever used a travel app to find a flight and a hotel all on the same screen? Or maybe have you ever logged into a website using your Google or Facebook account? These seamless connections are made possibly by something you have probably heard of. It's called an API. So, what is an API and why are they so important? So first, what is an API? An API or application program interface, it is a set of rules that allows two different pieces of software to communicate with each other. So if we have a client, which will be like a web browser or something, and a server, and the client wants to communicate with the server. For example, the client wants to get the user information. So it will send a request and the server will send a response. This process should follow specific rules in order to make sure that this connection is follows the best practices. It's a seamless connection and it's a secure connection. So again, an API, it's or application programming interface. It is a set of rules that allows two different pieces of software communicate of software to communicate with each other. The best way to think about it is with a restaurant analogy. It's a famous one. Basically, you're a client sitting at the table, and the kitchen is a server which holds all delicious food and ingredients. You can just walk into the kitchen and tell the chef what you want. You need a middleman, and this middleman is the API. The middleman is the API. The API is your waiter. You look at the menu, which is the API's documentation, and tell the waiter your order, which is the request. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen, and once the food is ready, the waiter brings it back to you. This is what we call a response. So, this is a request, this is a response, and the process is being done by the API. Okay, but why the API is so important? Why we need to learn and use API? So APIs are the building blocks of modern internet. Without them, every single application would have to be a self-contained soil. Okay, we use API for a lot of reasons. I will talk about three today. Number one is the integration. APIs allow different services to talk to each other. For example, a weather app doesn't have its own weather station and satellites. It uses an API to get data from weather services, integrating that information directly into its own app. This is why a single page can show a flight, a hotel, and weather forecast. Number two, innovations. APIs enable developers to build new products by using existing services. Companies like Stripe or PayPal offer APIs that allow any e commerce website to easily add a pay now button without having to build a complex payment system from scratch. Number three, it's we use APIs for its modularity. APIs lets us break down huge complex systems into smaller, more manageable services. Each service has its own API, and they can be updated or changed independently without affecting the entire application. So, in conclusion, API is a powerful, invincible interface that enables software to communicate. It's the waiter, the translator, the middleman that makes the modern connected world possible. Without APIs, the internet as we know it will not exist. So that's it for this video, and see you for in the future.